here we go again, bitches!
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect until 2 a.m. Monday. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood watch for portions of Maryland, the District of Columbia, Virginia, and eastern West Virginia, including the following areas: in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Calvert, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Charles, and Prince George's. The District of Columbia. In Virginia, Arlington Falls Church and Alexandria, Culpeper, Eastern Loudoun, Fairfax, Greene, Madison, Northern Fauquier, Northern Virginia Blue Ridge, Orange, Page, Prince William, Rappahannock, Rockingham, Shenandoah, Southern Fauquier, Stafford, Warren, and Western Highland. In eastern West Virginia, Eastern Pendleton and Western Pendleton. Until 2 a.m. Monday, showers and thunderstorms with locally heavy rain are expected to overspread the area this evening and continue until shortly after midnight. With wet antecedent conditions, a rapidly falling 1 to 2 inches of rain could result in flash flooding. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The 7 p.m.
I'm trying to eat my pizza! Why? 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 Why?